Hi guys! Today's video is gonna be our gender reveal. I don't know why I keep singing everything. I'm so excited. I'm very nervous. I just want to know what we are having already. I want to show you guys our outfits that we're gonna wear to the gender reveal. It's 2:45. Our gender reveal is at 7:30 or 7, no, yeah. I think I'm gonna do it at 7 or 7:30. I haven't decided when yet, but let me show you guys my outfit that I'm wearing. This is my bed. I did not make it. This is my outfit. You can't really tell. I'm wearing this like long skirt. It's pink and it has little flowers. And then this is like, what is going on? I'm just wearing this plain white like square neck and it has like puffer sleeves. All right, this is what Beckham and Haven are wearing. So Haven's wearing this cute little set. It has like little buttons and it has like a cute texture on it and little ruffle things. And then Beckham's just gonna wear this plain oversized tan shirt with these tan biker shorts. Everything, well, Beckham and Haven's outfit are from Zara. Are you playing with your babies? Do you want to say hi?
Hi, baby.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, Arthur.
Haven, are you excited to see if you're gonna have a baby sister or baby brother?
Baby.
Baby, yeah. Alright, this is the dinner. Very healthy chicken nuggets with some barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, mustard mix. Very nice. Looking good. It is almost 7 o'clock. It'll probably be 7 o'clock once we get all the kids strapped in, but we're ready to go. I'm wearing my pink. Beckham is wearing his tan. Show him how handsome you look. Handsome. Oh, you have a little fuzz in your eye. I'm gonna turn on the car because it's so hot. It's literally 100 degrees out here. Woo! Boy or girl? Uh-oh, let's go get wipes.
I think a girl.
You think it's a girl?
Yeah, just because I want a boy. I think it's going to be a girl.
Oh my gosh. What do you think? Don't freeze.
needs
Say
a
boy
wipe?
or girl? Say boy or girl? Okay, Beckham, do you think it's a boy or a girl?
I think it's a boy.
You think it's a boy? Okay, Haven. I already know what you're going to say. Boy or girl? She says baby sister. Uh-oh, you got to clean your hands. If it's blue, it's a boy. And if it's exactly. Here, Haven, we're going to pop it. So, how loud is that? I'm getting nervous. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
A girl.
It's a girl.
You're going to have a baby sister.
He's literally convinced it was a boy. Now I don't know if it's actually a girl. Oh yeah. I wanted a girl.
Wait,
it was supposed to be blue.
What do you think, Beckham?
Blue.
What do you think though? It's a boy.
It's a girl.
I mean, it's a girl.
What do you think, Beckham?
I want it to be a boy. Let's do another one.
Do it again. Here, come talk to me now about it.
Do another one.
You want it? We can do another one, but it's still gonna be pink.
Beckham, do you want to try popping one?
Do you want to pop one yourself? Okay, you can.
That's crazy. I thought it was a boy.
Beckham, you know, if you get a baby sister this time, you can try for another baby brother next time, so you can have both.
Do you want to do that?
I want to stay here and play with Boston.
You can play with Boston. Can you say baby sister?
Baby sister.
Baby sister.
Look at mom. Let mom say baby sister.
Baby sister.
Sorry, that is not
My heart is dying. I need water.
Wait, let me, here, I'll show you these.
Like water and.
They're further away.
Oh, those are super cute. Now we're cleaning them all up. Wish us luck. Look at that view though. Oh my gosh. Can't even tell that anything happened here now. Okay, let's talk about what just happened. So, you guys, we are having a girl. Jason's very sad because he wanted a boy. He's sad, honey.
Yeah.
He's sad because he wanted a boy. Well, we really are happy with either because we do have one of each, but it would just be fun to have another boy after having a girl. I'm very excited to have another little Haven. Jace is very excited. He just decides not to show
I
it.
just need a minute.
He just needs a minute. Anyways, we're having a girl. Thanks so much for watching our gender reveal vlog. I'm very excited. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Bye!